In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a Cloudflare Ray ID. If you've ever encountered an error on a website protected by Cloudflare or need to troubleshoot certain events, understanding how to locate and analyze a Ray ID can be crucial. This unique identifier helps pinpoint specific requests made to the server, providing valuable insights into issues or security events. So, whether you're managing a website or just curious about how this works, let's dive into the process step by step. To start, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the website or service in question. If you're not familiar, Cloudflare is a platform that provides security and performance enhancements for websites. So being logged in is the first and most essential step. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Cloudflare dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all of your website settings, security configurations, and analytics. If you're managing multiple websites, ensure that you've selected the correct one from the list at the top of the screen. This will ensure you're working with the right data. Now, over on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu with a range of options. Look for the section labeled Security. Once you locate it, click on it to expand this area. This is where Cloudflare centralizes all its security-related tools and insights, so it's the perfect place to find what we're looking for. Next, depending on your version of the Cloudflare dashboard, you'll either need to select the Events tab or the Firewall Overview option. These two areas serve a similar purpose. They provide you with a log of security-related events, such as blocked requests and triggered rules. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout, if this is your first time exploring these sections. After opening the appropriate tab, look for the Filter drop-down menu. This is a powerful tool that allows you to narrow down the data displayed on your screen. From the list of filter options, choose Ray ID. By selecting this, you're telling the dashboard to focus specifically on entries associated with a particular Ray ID. Once you've selected the Ray ID filter, you'll see a field where you can input the Ray ID you're looking for. This is typically a series of alphanumeric characters provided to you during an error message or security event. Enter the desired Ray ID into the field and hit Enter or Apply depending on the interface. Now, the dashboard will display detailed information related to the Ray ID you've entered. This information might include the originating IP address, any security rules that were triggered, and the exact timing of the event. These details are incredibly useful for diagnosing what happened during that specific request and why it was flagged by Cloudflare. If you need to dig even deeper, you can access the Log Explorer tool. This advanced feature allows for a more detailed analysis of events and provides additional context about the request. Keep in mind that this tool is particularly useful for larger-scale troubleshooting or if the initial data doesn't provide enough clarity. For those of you with an enterprise plan, you also have access to enterprise logs. This feature offers a broader view of your data and allows you to integrate these logs with server-side logs for a more comprehensive analysis. This capability is especially valuable for businesses managing high-traffic websites or complex security setups. And that's it. You've now learned how to check a Cloudflare Ray ID and analyze the associated information. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and gain insight into specific requests made to your website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.